Hello friends, myself Mr. Minal R. Patel, working as a lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department from Vallabh Polytechnic, Navsari. Today we will discuss about components of lathe machine. Here actual lathe machine is given and this is the schematic diagram of lathe machine. So first of all, we should have to know what is lathe machine. Lathe machine is one of the most useful machine tool in workshop. Turning, fashioning, boring, drilling, reaming, nulling, etc. operations can be performed on this machine. Lathe machine is very important machine tool for mechanical engineer. There are different components on lathe machine like bed, headstock, tailstock, carriage, feed mechanism, screw cutting mechanism, etc. So first we start from leg. Here we can see legs. These are the two legs of lathe machine, which are made from cast iron material, because cast iron has high compressive strength and high wear resistant properties. On the leg their tray is mounted. Here we can see tray. Tray is also made up from cast iron because it has high wear resistant and compressive strength properties. Tray, why tray is used, or what is the function of tray? So tray is used to collect hot chips which are producing during various operations on lathe machine. On the tray there is a bed. This portion is called bed of lathe machine. Now bed is also made up from cast iron because it is wear resistant and high compressive strength property. It supports headstock, tailstock and carriage. Bed has flat or V type guide ways. Now next portion is headstock. Here is the headstock. What is the function of headstock? Function of headstock is to carry gear train to rotate workpiece at different RPM. It is mounted on left hand side of the lathe bed. Now next portion is tailstock. It is mounted on right hand side of the lathe bed. Its function is to support long workpieces and facilitate drilling, tapping, reaming operations. There is a more stepper on sleeve. Here we can see sleeve. There is more stepper on sleeve of tailstock. It is made from high carbon steel and tailstock is made from cast iron. Now next portion is carriage. Here we can see carriage. It is made in some parts like saddle, apron, cross slide, compound rest, etc. Saddle. Here we can see saddle. This saddle supports Cross slide. The function of carriage is to give feed to cutting tool and to control cutting action. Apron comprises of driving mechanism and facilitates manual as well as power feed to carriage. Cross slide is used to provide cross feed to the tool. Here we can see cross slide hand wheel. It is used to give motion to workpiece and give motion to tool towards the workpiece. Compound rest is used to provide angular movement. Now next part is lead screw. Here we can see threaded shaft. This threaded shaft is called lead screw. It is used for cutting thread on workpiece. In some of the lathe, feed rod is not provided, and in such cases lead screw also works as feed rod. Generally, Acme thread is cut on lead screw which have angle of 29 degree. Now next part is chuck. Here we can see chuck. It is mounted on spindle and its function is to hold the workpiece. The workpiece is either held in chuck or between the two centers and then rotated. Unwanted material is removed from workpiece in form of chips to get desired shape, size and finish. Chuck may be 3-jaw or 4-jaw chuck. 3-jaw chuck is called universal chuck. It is also called self-centering chuck. Chuck is mounted on spindle. So it's like nut and bolt assembly. Here we can see stepped pulley which is used to run workpiece at different speeds. Here we can see ram clamp and it is used to lock the tailstock. So these are the basic parts of lathe machine. Now which are the operations we can perform on lathe machine? So there are so many operations we can perform on lathe machine like straight turning, taper turning, facing, chamfering, thread cutting, knurling, grooving, filing, spinning, forming, polishing, eccentric turning, solder turning, etc. So we can perform so much operations on this machine. So lathe machine is very important machine tool for mechanical engineer. Thank you.